everyone. Today I'm here to show you how to change the upload file size for PHP. Let's start. Log into your cPanel dashboard. After that, locate Software section, and click MultiPHP ini editor icon. Now, from MultiPHP ini editor interface, select Editor Mode. Then, select the home directory or a domain's document root to open the corresponding PHP configuration. And start editing the values. For example, if you want to set the maximum size for upload files to 256 megabytes, add these two values in PHP ini editor. Finally, click Apply. The changes were successfully saved. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.